Good morning students. Today class I continue the same exercise number 9.6 first part third subdivision. So integral of 0 to pi by 4 sin power 6 into dx 2x into dx. Now we take 2x become theta. 2x is equal to theta means what is our 2 into dx is equal to d theta. That is dx is equal to d theta divided by 2. Now if we change of variable because we take 2x is equal to theta. So x is equal to what is the limit 0 to pi by 4. Theta becomes what? Instead of x you substitute 0 means theta also what? 0. Instead of x you substitute pi by 4 means 2 into pi by 4 is nothing but what? Pi by 2. Therefore x the limit becomes 0 to pi by 4 means in terms of theta the limit become what? 0 to pi by 2. Now substitute 0 to pi by 4. Sin power 6 into 2x dx is equal to, write the question as itself, equal to, because theta dx instead of dx substitute d theta by 2, therefore 1 by 2 into 0 to pi by 2 sin power 6 theta into d theta. Now this is of the form what? Reduction formula. Using the reduction formula, suppose n is nothing but what? Even n equal to 6, that is n is even. What is the formula? Integral of 0 to pi by 2 sin power n x into dx is equal to sin power n x into dx is equal to n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2 etc. 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Suppose apply this formula here. What is the question? 1 by 2. The question becomes 1 by 2 into 0 to pi by 2 sin power 6 theta into d theta equal to 1 by 2 into, so n minus 1, 6 minus 1 by 6 into 6 minus 3 by 6 minus 2, 6 minus 5, n equal to 1, n equal to 3, n equal to 5. We want to stop up to the last term become 1 by 2. So 6 minus 5 by 6 minus 4 into pi by 2. Again 1 by 2 into 6 minus 1 is nothing but what? 5. 5 by 6 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So after cancellation, what is the answer we get? 1 by 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 6 theta d theta equal to 5 pi by 64. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 into 2 is 32, 32 into 2 is what? 64. Therefore our answer is what? 5 pi by 64. Using the reduction formula, what? We substitute the value, get the result. See the fourth subdivision. Now integral of 0 to pi by 6. Integral of 0 to pi by 6 sin power 5 3x dx is equal to sin power 5 3x dx. Now this 3x is taken as what? Theta. 3x is equal to theta. 3 into dx is equal to d theta. That is dx is equal to d theta by 3. What is the value? X is equal to 0 to pi by 6. X value is what? 0 to pi by 2. In terms of theta means instead of x you substitute 0. 3 into 0 0. X is equal to 0 means theta also 0. X is equal to pi by 6. X is equal to pi by 6 means theta is nothing but what? Pi by 2. Substitute instead of x substitute pi by 6 means cancel the value. What? Theta equal to pi by 2. Now 0 to pi by 6 sin power 5 3x dx is equal to 0 to pi by 2, because in terms of x the limit becomes 0 to pi by 6. We convert in terms of theta means the limit become what? 0 to pi by 2 sin power 5 theta into d theta by 3. Taking 1 by 3 is outside, 0 to pi by 2 sin power 5 theta into d theta. Here n equal to what? 5. N equal to 5 is nothing but n is what? Odd. What is the formula? Integral of 0 to pi by 2 sin power nx into dx is equal to n minus 1 by n minus 3 by n minus 2 etc. 2 by 3. You want to substitute up to 2 by 3. So 1 by 3 into, see the question, rewrite the question same, 1 by 3 into 0 to pi by 2 sin power 5 theta into d theta equal to 1 by 3 into 5 minus 1 by 5 into 5 minus 3 by 5 minus 2, because 5 minus 3 is nothing but what? 2. 5 minus 2 is what? 3. We stop up to the answer coming ending with 2 by 3. So only 2 steps enough for you. 5 minus 1 by 5, 5 minus 3 by 5 minus 2, because the last number is last in formula. What is the, we stop at what? Up to 2 by 3. So 5 minus 3 is what? 2. 5 minus 2 is what? 3. Therefore this is only 2 steps enough for you. So 1 by 3 into 4 by 5. 1 by 3 into 4 by 5 into 2 by 3. After simplification we get what? 8 by 45. After simplification we get what? 4 2s are 8, 3 5s are 15, 15 into 3 is what? 45. So we want to make the equation sin power nx dx or sin power nx dx, whether we find n is even or odd. After finding n is even or odd depends upon the formula. Using the reduction formula you substitute, you get the result. Next is sixth question. integral of 0 to 2 pi, integral of 0 to 2 pi sin power 7 x by 4 into dx, sin power 7 x by 4 into dx. Now let x by 4 equal to theta, this value is taken as what? Theta, x value is taken as theta. Let x by 4 equal to theta means what is 1 by 4 into dx is equal to d theta. 1 by 4 take outside, x is differentiate, we get what? Dx into d theta. Now dx is equal to nothing but what? 4 into d theta. Dx is equal to 4 into d theta. Now x is equal to, what is the limit? X becomes 0 to pi by 2 pi. X is equal to 0 to 2 pi means it depends upon the limit. Theta equal to 0. Now theta equal to pi by. Substitute the value for x in x, instead of substitute x is substitute 2 pi, we get the result what? Pi by 2. Now 0 to 2 pi sin power 7 x by 4 dx is equal to, take outside, 4 into 0 to pi by 2 sin power 7 theta into d theta. 7 is nothing but what? Odd number. N equal to 7, n is odd. What is the formula? Again same, 0 to pi by 2 sin power n into x dx is equal to n minus 1 by n minus 3 by n minus 2, etc. 2 by 3. So write the question same. Now 4 into 7 minus 1 by 7, n minus 1 by n, 7 minus 1 by 7 into 7 minus 3 by 7 minus 2 into 7 minus 5 by 7 minus 4. Why? 7 minus 5 is nothing but what? 2. 7 minus 4 is what? 3. So with the 3 steps we are doing, because we come to the result. The last step is ending with 2 by 3. We substitute the formula n minus 1, n minus 3, n minus 5 like that up to we get the result up to the last step become 2 by 3. So 7 minus 1 by 7, 7 minus 3 by 7 by 2 into 7 minus 5 by 7 minus 4. See, 7 minus 5 is 2, 7 minus 4 is what? 3. Now 4 into 7 minus 6 by 7, 7 minus 3 is what? 4 by 5, 7 minus 3, 4, 7 minus 3 is 5, 4 by 5 into 2 by 3. After simplification, what? 1 3 is 3, 2 3 are 6. So after multiplying with the numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator, we get what? 64 by 35. We want to find whether n is even or odd. Next, fifth subdivision. What is the fifth one? Integral of 0 to pi by 2 sin square x. Already we learned the formula. 0 to pi by 2 sin square x cos power 4x into dx. So m equal to 2. We term is both sin and cos function. Here coming sin function as well as cos function, trigonometric function. So m equal to 2. M equal to 2, n equal to 4. Both are even. M equal to 2, m equal cos as well as sin as well as cos, both are even. See the formula. 0 to pi by 2 sin power m into x cos power n into x dx is equal to n minus 1 by m plus n, because sin and cos, sin function as well as cos for both are even. So what is the formula? n minus 1 by m plus n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2, etc. 1 by m plus 2, m minus 1 by m into the same m minus 1 by m minus 3 by m minus 2, etc. 1 by 2 into pi by 2. When both are what number? Even. Sin as well as cos is even. M equal to 2, n equal to 4. M equal to 2, n equal to 4 means substitute the value. 4 minus 1 by 2 plus 4 into, substitute, instead of m and n, you substitute the given formula. N minus 1, m plus 1. So substitute the formula for that m and n value. So 4 minus 1 by 2 plus 4 into 4 minus 3 by 2 plus 4 minus 2 into 2 minus 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So after substituting, what is the result we get? After substituting, we get what? Cancel. Substitute the value. We get what? Final step is what? 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So after simplification, we get what? Pi by 32. Pi by 32. Formula is formula only, very must. Both are even function. Here see the seventh question. Both are what function? Odd function. M is also odd. N is also odd. So integral of 0 to pi by 2 sin cube theta into cos power sin power 3 theta into cos power 5 theta d theta. M equal to 3, n equal to 5. Both are what function? Odd function. If both are odd means what is the formula? That is I equal to integral of 0 to pi by 2 sin power m into x cos power nx dx is equal to n minus 1 by m plus n minus 1 by m plus n into n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2, etc. 2 by m plus 3, 1 by m plus 1, 1 by m plus 1. Now substitute the formula value. M equal to 3, n equal to 5. So n instead of n, you substitute what? 5. 5 minus 1 by m plus n. 3 plus 5 into 5 minus 3 by 3 plus 5 minus 2 plus into 1 by the, see the last step, 1 by m plus 1. M is what? M is nothing but what? 3. 3 plus 1. Now what is 4 by 8 into 2 by 6, only simplification. into 1 by 4. So after cancellation we get what? 1 by 24, which is very important. The formula is very important. Listen that question, whether it is even function or odd function. Here two values equal, sin and cos. Sin value as cos value both are odd function. Before sum we find sin and cos both are what function? Both are even number. Here odd number. Depends upon the formula. You substitute what is m, what is n. You substitute the value. Calculation part is very simple for you. Simple calculation only. See now, see the 8th subdivision. Integral of 0 to 1 x square 1 minus x the whole cube into dx. 9.6 first 8th subdivision. Integral of 0 to 1 x square 1 minus x the whole cube into dx. What is our formula? I equal to the integral of 0 to 1 x power m 1 minus x the whole power n dx is equal to formula. See the remember the formula only. X power m into 1 minus x the whole power n dx is equal to m factorial into n factorial divided by m plus n plus 1 factorial. M factorial into n factorial divided by m plus n plus 1 factorial. What is our m? M equal to 2, n equal to 3. Just you substitute the formula only. Integral of 0 to 1 x square 1 minus x the whole cube into dx. Instead of m 2 factorial into 3 factorial by 2 plus 3 plus 1 factorial. 2 factorial means nothing but what? 2 into 1. 3 factorial means what? 3 into 2 into 1. 2 plus 3 what? 6. 6 plus 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 1 what factor? 6 factorial. Now here 2 factorial into 3 factorial. So we otherwise rewrite as what? 2 into 3 factorial. Here we stop. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. 3 factorial, 3 factorial cancelled. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. See here, either using this step, otherwise come to this step. If you want to use this step, means 6 factorial means substitute up to 1 2 6 5 4 3 up to 1. Otherwise what? The 2 factorial and the 3 factorial divided by 2 plus 3 5 5 plus 1 6 factorial. 2 factorial is nothing but what? 2 1s are 2 into keep the 3 factorial as itself. 6 factorial is rewrite as what? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. 3 factorial cancelled. Afterwards 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. That is nothing but what? 1 by what? 6 5s are 30. 30 into 2 60. So I complete all the sums in this exercise. Exercise number 9.6. This is using the reduction formula. We are complete the sum. These are using for the these are coming for the public exam for what? 2 mark only. 2 mark. Either using sin power nx or cos power nx or sin power m cos power m. Either it is odd or even. So learn the formula. If you learn all the formula means what? Substitute the value. If you learn the formula and substitute the formula, you get the easy result for you. See, next in chapter 9 we are using gamma integral. I complete exercise number 9.7. 9.6. Now I start the exercise number 9.7. See, these are the important steps. E power infinity equal to limit x tends to infinity e power x. Suppose limit x tends to infinity. Suppose it become e power infinity means e power infinity equal to limit x tends to infinity e power x. E power x is equal to what is the value? E power infinity. Suppose e power minus infinity means that is nothing but limit x tends to infinity e power minus x. That is 1 by limit x tends to infinity e power plus x. 1 by infinity, anything by infinity is nothing but what? 0. 1 by infinity equal to 0. Next, limit x tends to infinity x power m e power minus x. X power m e power minus x is equal to limit x tends to infinity x power m e power x. That is what? Limit x tends to infinity m factorial by e power x is equal to 0. Limit x tends to infinity m factorial by e power x is equal to 0. Another one, integral of 0 to infinity, the same, e power minus x x power n dx is equal to e power minus, very important, e power minus x x power n dx is equal to n factorial, where n is a non-negative integer. N is a, that is positive integer. Integral of 0 to infinity e power minus x x power n dx is equal to n factorial, where n is a non-negative integer. This is the gamma integral. This is important formula. What is the gamma integral formula? Very important formula. Integral of 0 to infinity x power n e power minus ax dx is equal to integral of 0 to infinity x power n e power minus ax dx is equal to n factorial by a power n plus 1. N factorial by a power n plus 1. Using this formula only we are going to do the sum. See the question. Evaluate the following. Exercise number 9.7. First question, first subdivision. Evaluate. Integral of 0 to infinity x power 5 e power minus 3x dx. See that comparing with the formula x power n e power minus ax. Instead of x power e power minus, here having what? X power 5 e power minus 3x dx. Here what is our n? N equal to 5, a equal to minus 3. N equal to 5, a equal to 3, not minus 3, because minus ax. So n equal to 5, a equal to 3. What is the formula? The same, integral of 0 to infinity, the same thing only. Integral of 0 to infinity, x power n e power minus ax dx is equal to n factorial by a power n plus 1. N factorial by a power n plus 1. What is our n? N is nothing but what? 5. X power n e power minus ax. So what is our n? N equal to 5, a equal to 3. Therefore 5 factorial. What is the form using? Remember the formula. If I write the formula, after substitute that one. 5 factorial. N factorial, instead of n factorial, write what? 5 factorial by 3 power 5 plus 1. Now 5 factorial by 5 plus 1 is nothing but what? 6. So 5 factorial by 3 power 6. Now second subdivision, integral of 0 to pi by 2 e power minus tan x by cos 4 6x into dx. E power minus tan x divided by cos 4 6x into dx. Now integral of 0 to pi by 2, 1 by cos is nothing but what? Secant. 1 by cos is secant. Secant power 6x e power minus tan x into dx. Now integral of 0 to pi by 2 e power minus tan x, secant power 6x is rewrite as what? Secant power 4x into secant square x, because 4 plus 2 base a means add the powers. So secant power 6x is rewrite as what? Secant power 4x into secant square x dx. Now that tan x is taken as what? T. Tan x is equal to t. Secant square x dx. If we differentiate it, tan x is different, we get what? Secant square x dx is equal to dt. Now suppose, what is the limit here? 0 to pi by 2. Suppose x is equal to 0. Suppose x is equal to 0 means tan 0 what? X is equal to 0 means t equal to also 0. Suppose x is equal to 0, tan 0, 0. X is equal to pi by 2, tan pi by 2. Tan 90 is nothing but what? Infinity. So the limit 0 to pi by 2 become, now the limit in terms of t to become, the limit become what? 0 to infinity. Now 0 to infinity e power minus t. Instead of tan x we substitute what? T. E power minus t 1 plus, the secant square is rewrite as what? 1 plus tan square x. Secant square x is what? You remember the identity. Secant square x is rewrite as what? 1 plus tan square x the whole square, because this is what? Secant power 4x. What is our dt? Dt equal to secant square x dx. See here, secant power 4x. Secant power 4x rewrite as secant square x the whole square. What is our secant square x? We know the identity. 1 plus tan square x the whole square. 1 plus tan square x the whole square. Instead of dx, instead of secant square dx, secant square dx is nothing but what? Dt. So we change the variable. If we change the variable means as well as the limit also changed. Therefore in terms of x the limit becomes 0 to pi by 2. In terms of t means the limits become what? 0 to infinity. Now 0 to infinity e power minus t, because we take tan x is equal to t. See the question, tan x is equal to t. Secant square x is nothing. Secant square x dx is what? Dt. Secant power 4x is rewrite as secant square x the whole square. Secant square x apply the what? In identity. 1 plus tan square x the whole square, because secant square x minus tan square x equal to what? 1. Therefore instead of secant square x we substitute what? 1 plus tan square x the whole square into dt. Now integral of 0 to infinity e power minus t 1 plus, what is our tan x? Tan x is nothing but what? T. Therefore 1 plus t square the whole square into dt. Now integral of 0 to infinity e power minus 2 1 plus, apply the a plus b whole square formula. A square plus b square 2ab. 1 plus t power 4 plus 2t square into dt. Now integral of 0 to infinity multiplied with e power minus t dt plus 0 to infinity e power minus t into t power 4 dt plus 2 into 0 to infinity e power minus t square into dt. We are what? Split in the 3 integrals. Now integral of 0 to infinity t power 0 e power minus t dt plus integral of 0 to infinity t power 4 e power minus t dt plus 2 into 0 to infinity t square e power minus t dt. These 3 integration is of the form what? X power n e power minus ax dx. What is the formula? N factorial by a power n plus 1. Apply the formula. All the 3 integral become x power n into e power minus ax. So instead of n we can have 0. Instead of n having 0. Instead of a having what? 1. Therefore 0 factorial by 1 power 0 plus 1. Here what? Instead of n 4 factorial by a is what? 1, a equal to 1. So 4 factorial by 1 power 4 plus 1 plus 2 in. So instead of n what? 2. That is 2 factorial. What is our a value? Again a value is nothing but what? 1. Say split into 2 integral. Sorry, 3 integral. 3 of them of the form x power n e power minus ax. Apply the formula n factorial by a power n plus 1. So using this formula you substitute here. Instead of n here having 0 factorial, a equal to 1. Here instead of n 4 factorial, that is n factorial 4. Here what is our a equal to 1. Here instead of 1 what? 2 factorial, n here a equal to 1. So substitute the formula. After substituting we get 0 factorial is always 1. 0 factorial is 1. 1 power 0 plus 1 is what? 1. 1 power 1 is 1. 0 factorial is what? 1 plus 4 factorial. 1 power any number is what? 1 only. Here what? 1. 2 into 2 factorial. 2 factorial, that is nothing but what? 2. Here I write it 0 factorial is nothing but what? 1. Therefore 1 plus 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 factorial rewrite as what? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1. 2 factorial is rewrite as 2 into 1. After simplification we get what? 1 plus 24 plus 4. We get the result is what? 29. Sum is a little bit big, but only apply the same formula. Integral of 0 to infinity x power n e power minus ax dxa equal n factorial by a power n plus 1. The sum makes us, this is the form. Afterwards convert this form, we apply the what? Formula. See the second sum. What is that one? If integral of 0 to infinity e power minus alpha x square x cube into dx is equal to 32. Alpha value is what? Greater than 1. That is positive value. Find alpha. What is the integral of 0 to infinity e power minus alpha x square into x cube is rewrite as what? X cube is rewrite as x square into x into dx. X cube is rewrite as x square into x dx equal to what? 32. Now x square is taken as t. X square is taken as t. So after differentiate 2x dx is equal to dt. Now x into dx is equal to dt by 2. Limit. Suppose in terms of x 0 to infinity. In terms of t the limit become the same 0 to, because x is equal to 0, t equal to 0. X is equal to infinity, t also what? Infinity only. So now here 0 to infinity e power minus alpha x square into x into dx equal to 30. I write the same constant. Now x square equal to take instead of x square write what? T. Instead of x square write t. X into dx. Here x into dx is what? dt by 2. See, we substitute all the value. Integral of 0 to infinity e power minus x square is rewrite as what? T minus alpha into t. What is our x square? X square is taken as what? T. X into dx is what? 1 by 2 into dt equal to 32. Substitute all the values here. Now take outside for 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 0 to infinity t into e power minus alpha t dt. So t into e power minus alpha t into dt equal to 32. What is the formation? The question is in the form of, what is the form? 0 to infinity x power n e power minus ax into dx. What is the formula? N factorial by a power n plus 1. Instead of n, here what? 1. Instead of a, here having what? Alpha. Substitute the formula 1 by 2 into 1 factorial by alpha power a power n plus 1. Alpha power 1 plus 1. N is nothing but what? 1. N equal to 1. N equal to 1, that is n equal to 1. What is our a? A equal to alpha. So 1 by 2 into, what is the formula? N factorial. 1 factorial by, instead of a substitute alpha. Alpha power 1 plus 1 equal to, what is the answer given? 32. Given question itself given. So 1 by 2 by alpha square. 1 by alpha square equal to the 2 become, it to become what? Goes to the right hand side what? 32 into t is what? 64. 1 by alpha square equal to 64. That is 1 by alpha square equal to 64. What is our alpha square? Alpha square equal to 1 by 64. Alpha equal to 1 by 8. We are not using minus 1 by 8 because alpha is always what? Greater than 0. Therefore alpha value is always positive value. Find, what is the question asking? The question is asking find the alpha. Therefore alpha equal to 1 by 2. Students, I completed exercise number 9.6 as well as 9.7. You take down all the notes in your class or notebook. Go through properly. These are only coming for the 2 mark question. Next video only I am going to teach the exercise number 9.8 coming for the 5 mark question. Thank you, students.